This video is about Surfcam making the moves to Fairino Cobot. As you see, here's a saddle surface and a spline. The straight line shows positions for the tool and all. Here we make the toolpath in Surfcam in real time, and then we just post-process it to the code for Fairino. This is the post-process. You give it a name, some name you can use in Fairino, and there's some parameters we have to set up, speed, that kind of things. Now it's pretty slow, so we can see. And the Surfcam post-processor made by Renzi creates two files. Makes the trajectory file, which is all the axis coordinates, and a Lua file, which determines firstly all the conditions for running the trajectory file, so the movements in the space. Now we have opened it up, the Fairino console, and we have here, or we read in firstly the Lua file, which is saddle or satula in Finnish. Once more, like this. And okay, now we get it, and we get the find the place for trajectory file. Here it is. Open the trajectory file, and we have it in here. We can simulate it on the screen first before running on the Cobot. As you see, let's just zoom it out. The movement is the same as it was in Surfcam. As you see, the simulated path, it comes and goes, moves on this imaginary saddle surface. And here we go. It can be, now it's 90 degrees towards the surface, but it can be in any angle towards the movement, so you can make like two paths, firstly towards and then in some angle, like for plasma cutting, to make welding seams. So now we run it for real. Firstly, it starts on the saddle. As you see, the movement doesn't stop and it's very smooth and continuous on the same speed. No vibrations. It's really a smooth and vibration-free movement, so it's perfect for gluing, plasma cutting, especially complex shapes. Also for trimming, if you have a very light milling spindle, you can mill some soft materials. Thank you.